Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to create a graph in a Google Spreadsheet. So for the Ribbon Graph Lab, you click on this link here. It'll automatically ask you to make a copy of the a copy of the graph, or of the spreadsheet. Okay, it's going to lead you to this. Of course, your spreadsheet is not going to have any information in here because you're going to put in your own data. And your data obviously should not look exactly like mine. I totally made this up, okay? So it's not even accurate. But to create the graph, I'm going to highlight these two columns here, okay? Then I'm going to insert and then chart. And what it's going to do is going to take those highlighted portions and create a graph for me, okay? So this graph looks really nice here, but let's look at how the setup works here. I can create on the setup column there or tab, I can create a scatter chart, or I can create a line graph. Okay, I could do a bar graph. I think your lab is asking for a scatter plot, so there it is with the points. Okay, I want to make sure that my x-axis is the length. Okay, if it's not, you can change that up. And there's my data range right here, which is what I highlighted. Okay. I can go to customize, okay? Chart style, if I want to change the colors of different things, you guys can mess with that. One thing that I would do here is I'm going to take that title right here, the title, I'm going to bold it, I'm going to make it a little bit easier to see, and I'm going to put that in the center, okay? So I'm just showing you that to show you that you can customize all sorts of things. The axis, okay? Different things for the vertical axis, the horizontal axis, and things like that. Okay, grid lines, we can change that if we need to, and stuff like that. So here's my graph. Okay, I've created my graph. What I'm going to do is I can do Control C, or I can copy the graph. There we go. I'm going to copy the graph, which would be Control C. I'm going to go back to my lab, I'm going to click right here, and then I'm going to do Control V or paste. Okay, and I'm going to link that graph to the spreadsheet, and there it is. Okay, now let's say I realize I made a mistake. I can come in here. Let's say I'm going to change this value to 10. Okay, it changed my graph automatically, and it also changed my graph in here because they're linked. Okay, that's it. Should be pretty simple stuff.